Oh, Jet Black, he from Australia too. Damn, it's 22 degrees.
Oh shit.
How the fuck? It's 22 over there? I thought it was hot.
I didn't know it got that cold.
We ain't even, my boy said he ain't even know it got that cold over there.
I ain't never been over there, so.
He ain't never been either though. So the kangaroos can live in there too?
There's my other car.
Oh, they said probably 22 Celsius.
Oh, yeah. I don't know what that is.
Yeah. Oh, 22. Yeah. He said,
Fahrenheit.
what's 22 Celsius in Fahrenheit? Yeah, he said 210 Lucas say, yeah, that is Celsius. Hey, what's that in Fahrenheit? Oh, that's 71 degrees, man. Yeah, we like that. We like 71 degrees over here. We got Jeremy Casey in the building, y'all. He got this special car built just for him. I think he finna win, fool. Cause everybody talking about they don't know. It's how the you and this Nova back here. You ever raced that Nova?
The yellow one?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
You ran them before?
Yes, sir.
The last time y'all ran, who won?
Not in this car, though.
Oh, you wasn't in this one?
No, I couldn't tell you who won.
Oh,
I've
okay.
raced so many times.
Oh, y'all done raced a lot of times? I'm already, man, let me see what he talking about, man. I'm about to be tired of him already, but. Oh, this Sambo Tyra. What's up with it, man? He putting his steering wheel on. We got Sambo Tyra, man. He knows something, y'all. He ain't playing. He ain't even painted his steering wheel neck all the way. Yeah, I wanna. Dang, man, y'all. Which one y'all wanna bet with? They finna get ready to do something. Sambo Tower and blew up.
Final pair to Super Pro or Pro
It
Blue.
done gave up, y'all.
Super Pro, made by semifinalists to the staging lanes. Super Pro semifinalists to the staging lanes.
Damn, something
Rocky
messed up
McLean,
over
Billy
here, y'all.
Simpson, and Phil Pennington.
Oh yeah, something ain't right. Something ain't right. Can y'all hear that? Oh damn, it sounds like it's getting back right. Right lane for the win.
That's good and a win. So Hodges.
Oh, then gave out, y'all.
Casey with a chance to double up.
Damn. Damn. He done messed up, y'all. He had that 540 in there, y'all. Alcohol injected. Damn, it done blew up in the burnout box. Did he overrev? I ain't heard him overrev it. Hey, for my TikTokers watching, man, y'all check out my YouTube channel. Lookout Racing. Lookout Racing. Y'all can catch it on widescreen. Damn, he done blew up at the finals, man. He probably was about to win, man. Damn, man, let me help, man. At least I can do help. Push. It must be super light. 2 people just pushing it easy. Where y'all going? I'm finna help too, man, when I catch up. Y'all acting like it's light. I can't even catch up. Let me try to put a little speed on it. Okay. Hey, man, I thought he was finna do something, man. Where he park at?
Shut your door, Sambo.